What can you see in this video? You can see incredible home interiors in Scandinavian style design. You can see dramatic floor plans with the wall painted in white and beautiful stained hardwood floors. You can also see simple furnished and decorated home interiors, almost in a minimalist design style. The home interiors are unique and look gorgeous despite the white color palette. Hi, my name is Lulu and I will be host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a new uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Are you wondering to update your home interior and you don't know what style is the best to choose? Do you want something new and trendy or time-tested but also always trendy? I think a wise option is Scandinavian style design or Nordic style. It was introduced in 1950 and it still remains one of the most popular and used the interior design to this day. What are its biggest advantages? Check out the list below to make sure this style is the best for your home interior. 1. A clean, simple and always modern style. 2. It has beautiful furniture in neat lines. When you use this type of furniture, the room looks more spacious. 3. It has an organized space. 4. A neutral color palette. Using a neutral color palette makes it easy to decorate your home interior. But my friends, let's speak about another extremely important features of the Scandinavian style design, namely the economical feature. This design style is based on practical principles and it is an affordable and economical solutions. It is an elegant and chic style that is available to anyone, not just to the rich and famous ones. Scandinavian style is simple and easy for everyone and makes it possible to create a modern and chic home interior at an affordable price. Need help furnishing and decorating a home interior in Scandinavian style design? Watch this new uploaded video and get inspired. The video is the 20th part of the video series House Tours. In the last years, we have uploaded many videos regarding the Nordic style design, but this video brings something new and trendy. You will find here the newest design ideas regarding the choice of the furniture, the choice of decorative accessories, or how to combine different materials to create a stylish interior. Let's start our presentation with this charming home interior in a warm and cozy Scandinavian style. Here you can see the living dining area, white walls, gorgeous hardwood floor, wood burning stove and stylish furniture. Here in this image, you can see the same small but beautiful home interior in a bright and airy Scandinavian style design from another angle. A narrow spiral metal stairway leads you to the loft where is the bedroom. Here you can see a large home interior with high ceiling and exposed brick walls. Beautiful contrast between the bright white and the walls and the dark hard floor. Large windows let plenty of light to get inside. A large wood burning fireplace, focal point of the decor. Let's see now a Nordic style kitchen design. Simple and straight lines to color cabinets, ceramic tile flooring throughout, granite countertop and island, large beige ceramic tile backsplash. another lovely small home interior in Scandinavian style design. Cozy open space with wood burning stove and loft. The living room interior from the image is dominated by white and blue-gray nuances. The rest of the open space is enriched by wooden elements, the dining room furniture, the kitchen island, and the TV stand in the living room. Here you can see the similar home interior from the previous image from another angle. Large, spacious and comfortable. Allow me to finish my presentation with this master bedroom design. Wood panel walls bring comfort and coziness. Also, the gorgeous hardwood floor. A warm color palette complements the beautiful decor. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.